Good everyone, especially to you, Sir Leo Arcayos. My name is Ranger Jix Centurias. I explain for today is the compartmentation and its impact on watertight integrity. So what is compartmentation? Compartmentation is the intentional division of a structure, most commonly marine vessels, offshore installations, submarines, or even flood resilient, building into distinct enclosed space called compartments. These are separated by structural barriers like bulkhead or partitions, which are engineered to meet specific performance standards. In water-relevant applications, many of these compartments are designed to be watertight, meaning they can prevent water from passing through under normal or specified conditions. And what is watertight integrity? Watertight integrity refers to a structure's ability to resist unwanted water ingress and contain any water that does enter. For marine vessels, this is a critical safety requirement. It directly impacts buoyancy, stability, and the ability to stay afloat and operational in the event of damage or flooding. For other structures like coastal buildings or ashore platforms, it protects internal spaces, equipment, and occupants from water damage. So, how compartmentation affect watertight integrity? First, contains water spread to prevent catastrophic failure. The most vital role of compartmentation is limiting the scope of flooding. If a hull is breached, a pipe fails, or water enters a structure, watertight bulkheads or act as barrier to stop water from moving between compartments. For example, on a ship, if one cargo hold floods, intact watertight divisions will keep water from reaching engage engine rooms, living quarters, or other critical areas, preventing loss of stability or sinking. Without compartmentation, even a small breach could lead to widespread flooding and total structural failure. And the second is enhances structural performance under water pressure. Dividing a structure into smaller compartments distributes water pressure more evenly across the entire frameworks. Individual compartments are designed to withstand the pressure of contained water, while bulkhead and overall rigidity to the structure. This reduces stress on any single section, helping to maintain the structure's shape and integrity even some compartments are flooded. The third is depend on proper sealing and maintenance. Each compartment's water tightness relies on every components within its boundaries, including doors, hatches, cables, penetration, pipe seals, and bulkhead themselves. A single defective seal or improperly closed watertight door can compromise an entire compartment, and if multiple compartments have issues, the overall watertight integrity of the structure is severely weakened. Regular inspection, testing, and maintenance of all compartments boundaries are therefore essential to preserve performance. Compartmentation allows for customized watertight standards based on a species, purpose, and risk level. High priority areas like engine rooms or navigation centers may have reinforced double-walled compartment, while less critical spaces might use lighter but still compliant barriers. This target approach ensures resources are focused where they matter most, balancing integrity with functionality and cost. And the fifth is supports emergency response and recovery. When flooding occurs, compartmentation make it easier to locate the source of water and grease isolated affected areas and implement repairs or dewatering measures. This speeds up response time and reduces the overall impact on the structure's operation and safety. So that's all. Thank you.